I love that the families in my church are diverse in opinions and values, and that we're growing in diversity in other ways, and that we are being called to grow together to be the kind of church that Jesus would have us be.
I love that the United Methodist Church is a thinking church, that it asks big questions of us, and it lets us ask big questions of it, and that it's comfortable also with just the ambiguity, and that not everyone has to have all the answers or the same answers, but that it really challenges us to use our minds.
I love that the United Methodist Church is a denomination that loves Jesus and is all about God's grace.
I love that the United Methodist Church is thinking about the future.
And I love that my church is working to be even more inclusive and diverse than it is now.
Grace says, I love you just the way you are, but too much to let you stay the way you are. And I'm thankful for a church that leads with grace.